Type High Press is a class where you learn how to use the letterpress machines. It is inking up the press, it is doing everything by hand, it is typesetting, it is locking your type together. It is a hands-on course for sure. It makes you look at your composition better and how to build it, and it's just all around reminds you the fundamentals of graphic design.
I love letterpress because it's different than everything else that I did. It's the contrast that attracts me. The creative process, taking notes and going to your computer and doing research, that only will take you so far in this class. You really have to operate out of the comfort of the way you're used to producing things, the comfort of the way you're used to thinking about things. You may have access to thousands of type fonts on the computer. It's hard to make a decision when you're faced with that many options. Here, if we don't have the type in the size that you want and the style that you want, you've got to find something else. You've got to be resourceful.
I think the great thing for design of any kind is that we do have these limitations, and it kind of creates the most genuine form of creativity because we have to work within these bounds. So where I did find a challenge, I ended up kind of getting a better project out of it.
It sort of takes a lot of the control out of design intent, and that's what I think is a really valuable part in using it to teach students.
You do have an urge to approach it the same way that you do approach your other design projects, like with the sketching and all that, but it really is a lot slower of a process. You can't go ahead of yourself like you can on the computer. You have to take it step by step.
Bob really pushes you to try new things, try different presses, and its reputation really pushed me to take this class, and I'm really happy I did.
There's two reactions to this class. One is, I love this and I always want to do it. I want to find a way to stay involved. Or I never want to see this stuff again. It's too tedious. It's not my way of working. And I think both of those are equally acceptable responses. And even for the ones it wasn't for them, they still learn a lot. If they can accept the concepts of what we're talking about here in Type High, it has the potential to have a huge impact on all of their work going forward. I know it did for me.